everybody, and welcome back to Craft Makers. My name is Richard Von Brush, and I'm here to show you how to create your very own DIY spinner. Are you ready? Good. So let's go. Follow me. This is what we'll need. Scissors, some string, quick stick glue, an assortment of coloured pens, a pen, some blank paper, something that is circular. For this I'm using a jar lid, and some cardboard. Now that we have all the necessities, let's craft on. Now your first step, get your card, like this. Get a pen, kapow! And get your circular object. For this, I'm using the lid of a jar. Kapow! And what you need to do, you need to take your circular object, place it on the card like so, grab your pen, and draw around it. Like this. But that's not it. You're going to do it again. Like this. Ta-da! And we're finished! Haha! Only joking, there's much more to do. Once you have your circles on the card, please take the scissors. Please do be careful. And what you're going to do, you're going to cut the circles out of the card. Until you have 2 circular cards. Then get your paper and do exactly the same as what you did on the card. And repeat the process with the scissors. By the end, you should have 2 circular pieces of paper. Then bring back the cardboard circles and get the quick stick glue. Kapow! And place the glue on both of the pieces of circular card like so. And get your pieces of circular paper and stick them on the card like this. Now bring back your quick stick glue. Kapow! And flip your cards over and cover it in glue. And press to make sure it's sticking together. Fantastic! And now for the creative part. Get your pens. For this, I'm going to go with orange and green. And this is where you can let your imagination run wild. Draw a pattern, any pattern, on a piece of paper. For this, I'm going to do something like this. See? Oh, hypnotic. And I'm going to take the green and do the same. That, maybe a bit of blue. Dash it about the place. Don't be afraid to get creative, everybody. For this is art, not science. Flip over. And more patterns. I think I'll start off with a bit of red. Get your scissors, ka-ching. Again, be careful. And you're going to want to make 2 holes near the center. Like so. And then take your string, kapow, and take a little bit off it. About that much should do. Take your scissors, be very careful, and cut. Now with your piece of string, feed it through the hole, and simply tie a knot in the string. There we go. Knot is tied, and then make sure it's halfway and wind up the spinner like so. there you have it. Your very own DIY spinner. How cool is that? I'm not gonna lie, I'm quite pleased with myself. And there you have it, your very own DIY spinner. But remember, don't be afraid to get creative. Add some paint, add different patterns, even add sparkles. And let me know how you get on. See if you can out-create the greatest creator in the creative world. You've been marvelous. Thank you for watching, and I will see you